Hey guys, I'm Cookie, and I brought you here today to tell you how much I love cookies. I mean, don't you love cookies? Doesn't everyone love cookies? By the way, do you have any cookies in there? I don't smell any cookies. Well, I really want some cookies right now, but my papa's baking them in the oven, and it's going to take a really long time. So, are you sure you don't have any cookies in there? Because I really want some cookies. I really want some cookies. Nope, no cookies. Okay, I just really wish I could have some cookies. I just